Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make custom Christmas ornaments. When it comes to making custom Christmas ornaments, we can literally make them out of any shape, any size, any design, any material. In this case here, we have 1/4-inch plywood, or 6 millimeters. You see some elements are laser engraved, some of them are cut through. Now this obviously is a reject because I have this here. So I'm lucky I get to keep all the rejects here in the shop for my use. In this case here, we use the laser for the whole thing. And the reason for that is because of the fine details in the lettering. We could have done this with a router as well, but it would have been a more rounded finish. Something to keep in mind is that plywood has a lot of different grades. This is the highest grade plywood you could get on a full sheet 4x8. This was actually the only reject because of this little thing here. So the lower grade plywood you go, the more defects there are on the surface, and it can also be defects on both sides. Now in this case here, we have one side that's perfect here, and one side that has the defect. It just happens to be that way for this one ornament. If you want something with 0 defects, well then that just means we keep the extra ones here. So if we're looking for custom ornaments, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.